Learn a lot of new sounds and a lot of new things.
Oh, so far, how many books have you read?
10 books.
9 to 10. Yes?
Yeah.
So for the book one, what sound did you learn?
For the book one, I learned
Good. As for book 2, you also done reading, right?
Book 2, yeah.
All right. What are the new sounds? G. It's a hard G, not soft G. Hard.
G.
G. Three K. What's the difference?
The difference
CK spelling.
K spelling. And this one is the
K spelling.
and this is the C spelling.
It's very special, right?
And their sound is the same.
Okay. And then this is the hardest sound to make in English. No. Catch it up. Now say volcano.
Volcano.
That's the V sound, you know. This is the hardest sound to make. Remember that. Then, no. Where do you learn woo like that? W is w. Say water.
Water.
Wall. Watch.
Watch.
This one? Mr. X. X. What do you hear? You hear k and the s, right?
Box.
How about fix? Fix something. Fix. Fix. We will play this game soon. Okay. Book 5, you read The Magic Ring and Grizzly Bear. This part of the body called chin. You hear the ch sound?
Yes.
That's it. 2 letters make one new sound. Can you give me some example of the sound? Along. Sing song. Sing a song. Shh. Look at the lip. Look at the shape. Shh. Then give me some example.
Fish.
Fish. Is it at the beginning or at the end?
At the end.
Good. And how about
Ship.
ship?
Ship.
Is it at the beginning or at the end?
Beginning.
Yes. Good job. Last sound is the hardest. Formulation. Show. Hold it up.
D.
The TH, okay, divided into 2 sounds. Voiced and unvoiced. Give me some example of voiced TH.
The.
Tongue out. Like this. The. They.
With.
Ooh, very clear. Good job. And voice is very strong and explosive, like the. It's very strong. Thick. Correct. Thin.
Brother. Thank you.
And many more.
And more.
We are learning these sounds. Okay, will be your homework. Do you have these books at home?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do this as a homework? Read.
Okay.
And you see the sound here. Book 1 is Pirate Pat. And these are the sounds you have to read. Okay? Then you know this one and you just try. Okay? Try your best to read this as well. The main thing, don't worry. If cannot, ask mommy how to read it. And then you need to focus on these words and this sound only, like tap, tap, tap.
Tap.
Same thing as this. Book 2 here. The dressing up box. And you have the G. Say G.
G.
Oh.
K.
Not K, like I said. K. What's the difference? C spelling. Okay, this K is a C spelling. And this K is a K spelling. And this K is a CK spelling. Is that okay?
Okay.
Same sound, different spelling. Then this one short E. Rabbit. ring,
ring,
rock,